Holy shit! Oh, the power is gone out. Back on again.
A couple of days later.
Came out today to check on the Bushcraft shelter. We haven't been out since we had the storm. And I never took no snowshoes, so I got bogged down a couple of times. The Nook wouldn't come up until I made a little trail for him. Kept getting stuck. As you can see, the snow was over halfway up the door. Never took a shovel. Looks like the chimney's still intact. I'm gonna go around now just to make sure. Just happy the roof stayed on. Well, our chimney never blew away. Thank goodness. Let me see if I can get inside. I don't think any snow got in. Gonna try to get inside because Danny was out and made a new table. Just gonna have a look, see what he's got done. This is a lid of an old lobster box. Makes a great little table. It's not very young. Done an awesome job. Amazing, I can't even see my breath. I guess the snow all around the walls made it even warmer. Pretty cool. Only a little bit of snow that come in is what I took in when I was trying to get the door open. Awesome. What are you doing?